Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate taking time out of y'all's busy schedule to stop in and see what it is I'm up to. I am out here on the banks of the St. Johns River down in Mayport, Florida. The river is super calm. The air is way calm. I thought I'd come down here and organize the inside of the brat buggy a little bit, maybe make some dinner. But it's so hot, that ain't gonna happen. That's an egret we're looking at right there. That building in the background is the Coast Guard station. Normally between where those boats are there and that little fishing boat is, there's all pilings out there you'd see. But the tide is the water is way up. Probably because of the recent hurricane Matthew that blew through. It dropped a lot of rain. It looks like he's about to get just a little bit of wind. There's a slight breeze, but for the most part the river is calm. Anyway, it's too hot to be standing out here long. So we're gonna make this a quickie. Let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down, thumbs up, leave me a comment. Wherever it is y'all leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that'd be fandoculous. If you want to check me out on Facebook, Imager, or Instagram. I'll have links in the description box eventually, along with similar videos. I'll show some videos of when I was down here. You know, I've been down here many times, so I'll put some of those videos down below. And but once I get home and check it out. He is actually heading upstream on the river. Down that way is the inlet to the Atlantic Ocean. Up that way is Jacksonville. And then the river kind of bends, you head down to Orlando. Anyway, you'll also find my Gmail or my email and my snail mail. And yeah, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, people. Breast cancer is an insidious disease. All cancers are. Breast cancer affects 1 in 1,000 men. A lot of people don't realize that. It also affects children, and it doesn't just affect your breast. It can show up anywhere. So if something doesn't feel right, get it checked out. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. If they're not, give them a call. Hit them up on Facebook. Let them know you think about them. Let them know you love them. We're not promised tomorrow, people. Until I see you all again, I hope you have a fandoculous day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.